Hello everyone, now we are going to start Unit 6, that is recommendation systems. And a recommendation system is a tool or algorithm designed to suggest items to users based on their preference or behavior. These systems are widely used in e-commerce, uh, streaming platforms, and social media to enhance user experience and increase engagement. Now we are going to get the introduction of recommendation system. The definition of recommendation system is a recommendation system predicts and suggests items that a user may be interested in based on past behavior, preference, or similarities. In simple word, we can say what we searched before. That is the recommendation system. And the purpose of recommendation system is to personalize user experience, increase engagement, and improve decision making. And now types of recommendation systems. There are three type of recommendation system. First one is content based and the second one is collaborative filtering. And now we are going to know about the content based filtering. The definition of content based filtering means recommend its items similar to what the users has previously liked or interacted, and the mechanism behind this is uses the features of items like category and genre to make the recommendation. And the advantage of this filtering is works well for new users and detailed items profile. And the second one is no dependency on other users. Disadvantage of this is limited for item features available and struggles with novelty and diversity. Second recommendation systems types is collaborative filtering. Means recommend the items based on user interaction and similarities between users or items. The mechanism behind this is user based, find user with similar preference, and item based, find items frequently rated similarly by users. And the advantage of this is offers diverse recommendation, works well for large data set. Disadvantage of this requires significant users interaction data, mm, and struggles with the cold start problem for new users or items. And the last recommendation system is hybrid system. Hybrid system combined with content based and collaborative filtering. And the mechanism behind the hybrid system is merges recommendations from both approaches to improve accuracy. And the advantage of this overcomes limitations of individual methods and provides more accurate and diverse recommendation. And the disadvantage of this is only increased computational complexity. It is obvious when we use more than two filtering, then it will be more complex. Application of recommendation systems are e-commerce website like Amazon, streaming platform like Netflix, Spotify, and social media platform like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and in education like Coursera, Udemy. In healthcare also we use the recommendation system for the same type of diseases. Building basic recommendation systems, there are four steps. First is data collection, and second is feature engineering. How we are going to use the data means how we define the characteristics of users and items. The third one is model selection. Using per item features means it's focus on the attributes of items like what will be the genre, price, or brand to recommend similar items based on user preference. Now we are going to explain collaborative filtering algorithm. Use past user item interaction to identify the patterns, means which type of products he likes in past interactions. For this we used user based collaborative filtering, which will find similar users to recommend items they liked. And the second which item based collaborative filtering find means it finds similar items to what the user interacted with. And the second heading is binary labels. What are the binary labels? Binary labels means favorites, means favorite, like, or clicks. in which post we are clicking, in which we are and what we are selecting for in past. Capture user actions means it will capture in form of in form of binary feedback, like if we like some post, then it will take it as one, or if we have no interaction with some post, it means it will put zero. And it help determine user preference based on their explicit or implicit action. Explicit actions means it is showing zero, and implicit actions means it is showing one. And the next heading is mean normalization. Mean normalization means a data processing technique. Mean normalization is a data processing techniques to normalize rating or user feedback by subtracting the average rating from individual rating. And it helps also in reducing bias caused by user specific rating patterns. And and the content based filtering, content user uses the feature content based filtering uses the features of items, means what is the genre of the items and descriptions, to recommend similar items. And content based filtering relies on user profile and similarity measures. And and the and the heading, mm, the difference between collaborative filtering, content based filtering, aspect and content based filtering in and collaborative filtering. The first aspect is data source. The data source of context based filtering is item feature, and the data source of collaborative filtering is user item interactions. And the personalization of content based filtering is high, and the personalization of collaborative filtering is moderate. Cold start problem. Cold start problem for content based filtering is for new items it will show, and 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 and, and the fall and the for for collaborative filtering, it will for new users and items. Diversity in content based filtering is limited, and the diversity in in collaborative filtering is high. Scalability. Content based filtering depends on the number of items, but the collaborative filtering is depend on the number of users. And and now is the last topic of this unit is ethical use of recommendation. And what the challenges are faced in making the recommendation system. The first one is bias in recommendation. Well, bias in recommendation. And the second one is privacy concern due to user data collection. And the last one is creation of filter bubbles. The last is best practices means ensure best practices ensure ensure transparency in how recommendations are generated, and allows user to control and customize their preference, and use data responsibly and ensure privacy compliance. And now we are going to explain the MCQ. Now we are going to go through the MCQ of this unit. The first MCQ is what is the primary goal of recommendation system. That is the primary goal of recommendation system is provide personalized suggestions to users. And next, which of the following is not an application of recommendation system. Mm, that we can also you can also reply of this question: file compression tool. Now, and the next is recommendation systems are commonly used in which domain. The recommendation systems are used in in personalized content delivery. And the next one is next of the which of the following is not a type of recommendation system? Data encryption based filtering is not a type of recommendation system. The last is of this topic is which of the following describe a cold start problem? Cold start problem means lack of data for new users or items. And the second subtopic of this unit is type of recommendation system. The first MCQ from this topic is in content based filtering. In content based filtering, recommendations are made based on features of items the users interacted with. Next one is which algorithm does collaborative filtering use? Similarity usage measures between users or items. Next one is hybrid recommendation system combine content based filtering and collaborative filtering techniques. Next is collaborative filtering depends heavily on user item interaction. How we are how the user is going to interacted before. And the last is what is the key advantage of hybrid recommendation system? Hybrid recommendation systems overcomes the limitation of individual methods. And the third subtopic of this unit is the third subtopic of this unit is the first question of this topic is user based collaborative filtering relies on the user based collaborative filtering is relies on similarity between users. And next one is item based collaborative filtering finds items frequently rated similarly by users. Next one is a significant drawback of collaborative filtering is cold start problem for new users and items. And the next in collaborative filtering, sparse data lead to reduced recommendation quality. And the last one is the main difference between user based and item based collaborative filtering is user based focuses on user similarity while item based focuses on item similarity. Mm, and the fourth subtopic of this unit is content based filtering. The first MCQ is content based filtering uses which technique to recommend items, item features and user profiles. Next one is which metric is commonly used in content based filtering to measure similarity. That is cosine similarity. Next one is the primary limitation of content based filtering is lack of diversity in recommendations. Content based filtering it struggles with cold start problem for items. Content based filtering recommends items similarly to those already liked by the users. And the next MCQ is which of the following is a challenge in ethical recommendation systems design? User data privacy. Recommendation systems can create filter bubbles by limiting recommendation to similar content only. Next one is one way to ensure ethical use of recommendation system is allowing users to control and customize preference. And then next one is what is the potential negative effect of biased data in recommendation systems? That is reinforcing stereotypes. Next is transparency in recommendation systems involves explaining how recommendations are generated. And the next MCQ what does binary labels refers to in recommendation system? User actions like likes, clicks and favorites actions. And next is mean normalization is used to normalize rating by subtracting the mean. Next which technique improve improve collaborative filtering accuracy, incorporating weighted averages. Next is, which of the following is a key advantage of hybrid recommendation system? Is a combining strength of multiple techniques. And the last MCQ, is which of the which algorithm is best suited for small data sets with well defined item features, that is content based filtering.